Hello everyone, my name is Alok Thakur. I belong to Siwan, Bihar. I have completed my diploma in 2025. Recently, I got placed in TCS Simon in Gurugram as a role of IT Operation Engineer at 3 LPA package. All of this could happen due to Evision team. And Evision team, I was struggling a lot of through my career and I was looking for a straight and right job profile that can align well with my long-term career goals. So I got to know about Evision Technoserve from my uncle, who is already working in IIT company after learning from Evision actually. So I joined their course and after completing my course, I got placed. I really thankful to Envision team for their guidance and support and placement process. There is hands-on session mock and interview. I really helped me a lot. If you are looking for a start IT career, I definitely recommended for Evision. Thank you Priya ma'am, Sati ma'am, Anamika ma'am, Ganesh sir and all Evision team. That's all. Thank you.